a brief side to the finite time thermodynamics. Cantor at infinity. Before to talk about the finite time thermodynamics, first we need to talk about the infinity. Well, the infinity was studied for many mathematics, but in special Cantor. Cantor has given us different kinds of infinities. In fact, he has given us a transfinite mathematics about the infinity. About this, we can see in a graphic in a Cartesian plane with the axis x and the axis y, the orders and the abscisses, where we see that we see a curve. That kind of curve is a kind of graphic that can have a function that is called bijective, where for each point to the x-axis has a correspondence to the order axis, to the y-axis, where we see that we have a kind of infinity. Well, maybe it's not clear what I am trying to say. Let me try to say this, where we can have a kind of infinity in a finite segment of line in the x-axis, for example. We think about this, that we start in the dot 0 and we are going to finish in the dot 1. We have a finite line, where to that finite line we can have a 1/2, and that 1/2 is shaped to another 1/2. That 1/2 or 1/2 is in fact 1/4 of the line. So we can repeat this kind of process and make this to the infinity. So we see that when we have a finite curve, we can have infinity dots, and infinity kind of dots. So with that infinity contained in a finite line, we are in a graphic, a kind of infinity. This kind of infinity is the basis of finite time thermodynamics.